talks about parts of the body. The one you want is called All About Noses. It should tell you about sneezing.
Thanks, Mr. Antelope.
You're welcome. If you have any questions, I'll be at my desk.
Here it is. All About Noses. It really hasn't been checked out in a while. It's so